dog.
So I'm repairing these slats and I'm losing light, and I want to get them repaired temporarily at least, so my dog doesn't pull some kind of a Tim Allen neighbor thing with my neighbor's dog, because my dog unfortunately does not like other dogs. So that's what we're working on now. I already did a few things, but I gotta finish. So I'll take you with me. Here's what it looks like on the neighbor's side. I got this, oh, that's broke. That's gonna have to be replaced, but I can fix that temporarily. It feels so bad, but I can't control the weather, man. I can't control the weather. I put some pin nails in place temporarily. One there, one there, and one there. And that'll hold everything in place for now. I just gotta get those slats that fell off in place. So let's do that. But I kicked the shit out of this. Temporary, but it works. There we go. Ryobi. Well, I gotta say, looks a lot better than it did. Still not perfect, but I will perfect it in the later times. Appreciate y'all for watching. Be good peoples.